So we've been able to create template. So the next thing we want to do now is to create and add styles to our page. Okay, how do you add styles to a Django website like this? So for you to add it, we will do the same thing we did for templates. This time around, folder we'll be creating here is called static. So more like static files, you know. So inside of here, we just create styles. This can actually be anything. So styles.css like that. All right, save it, and you can add any style that you want, just as you would have done in a regular application. So for example, we could just say background color, and then let's just pick this color, save it, and let me also show you as usual where it is inside of the documentation. So if we go back and come back to, we have style in somewhere, static files rather. Let's come back to static file. You see how it's added, but we're more interested in how this is added into the page. All right, so let's copy it. Let's just copy what we have here like so. Come back and go into our base file, because we want everything to be inherited from the base file. All right, now inside of here, we paste what we have collected like that, and then change the routing. So we'll just remove this and put it to be styles.css. That's really all we need to do. We save it, and then we make sure we restart, because sometimes when you don't restart and you try to refresh, it might not see the changes you have made. So let's restart. Once we restart, we should have the changes coming up like that. So refresh, changes is not showing. So let's, all right, I think the problem is from the spelling here. So let's save it, okay, and then try to do our refresh again, and we have everything running as it should be. Okay, all right, so we've been able to check up